Many students lose marks because they use the wrong tense when writing emails. So today I want to show you how to identify the right tense to use. Welcome back to English Step by Step. I am Miss Wee. We will be looking at some email questions, and then I will identify the key words that you need to look at, and then we will decide what tense to use. So this is the first question. You have decided to help at a sports event that will take place in your town next month. Write an email to your friend about this. In your email, you should 1. Describe the sports event that you're going to help at. 2. Say why you decided to help at the sports event. 3. Explain what you will be doing at the sports event. I'm not going to read the rest of it because that's the same for every email question. Here I have highlighted the key words that will help me decide what tense to use. Now, this sports event will take place in my town next month, so I know that I will be using some future tenses. If you're not familiar with future tenses, I have made a video on that, so please click on the link up here. So the first part is to describe the sports event that you're going to help at. So going to is the future tense, so you can use future tense for this part of the question. Bear in mind that you can also use some present tenses for future. And again, that is in my video on future tenses. So please check it out. Say why you decided to help at the sports event. Decided is past tense, so you decided in the past. So I would suggest using past tense here. Again, you have to be flexible. If you're talking about something that is still true, for example, you enjoy certain things, you can also use present tense. Explain what you will be doing at the sports event. So here, definitely, you need to use future tenses. Again, please check out the video on future tenses. So here I have written down the tense for you. So future tense. So either will, going to, present continuous, or present simple. Here I would suggest past tense and here future tense again. This is the next question. You recently attended an interesting weekend course for teenagers. Write an email to a friend about the weekend course. In your email, you should give information about the course, explain why you wanted to do the course, say how the course could be better. So these are the keywords. I should also have highlighted this to show that it's past tense. So give information about the course. If the course still exists, you could use present tense. Here, wanted is past tense. And say how the course could be better. This, we're going to use modal verbs. So present tense for the first part, past tense for the second part. And for the third part, we would use modal verbs such as should, could, would, etc. So they should have included something, they could do something, it would have been better if, etc. Here's another question. You recently borrowed your cousin's jacket for an event. While you were wearing the jacket, you damaged it. Write an email to your cousin about this. In your email, you should describe the event you needed the jacket for, explain how you damaged the jacket, say what you're going to do about the damage. So past tense here, past tense, past tense, past tense again, and future tense. So I would use past tense for the first two parts and future tense for the third part. Next question. Your school is running a competition to find the best idea for a business that could be started by teenagers. One of the competition rules is that you must enter together with another student. Write an email to a friend about the competition. In your email, you should describe what your business idea is, explain what you have to do to enter the competition, say why you think your friend is the best person to enter with. So I've highlighted some keywords that will tell me what tense to use. Is running, that is present continuous. Is also present tense. So I would use present tense here, future tense here, and present tense again. So here we are, present, future, present. Next question. Your friend from another country is coming to stay with you and your family for a week for the first time. Write an email to this friend about the visit. In your email, you should explain where you would like to take your friend, describe who your friend will meet, say what your friend should bring. So again, I have highlighted the keywords. Here have present continuous. This would be future, and modal verbs. So here we are, future, modal verbs. So that's a modal verb, should, could, would. Next question. You have recently found a website which helped you with your schoolwork and you want to tell your friend about it. Write an email to a friend telling them about the website. In your email, you should tell your friend how you found the website, describe how the website helped you with your schoolwork, and mention a small problem you had with the website. So helped is past tense, and the same with these. So I've written down past, past, past tense. So this is the last question. I will be making another video to help you decide what tense to use with the other formats that you have to write for your ESL exam, such as article, review, report, and essay. But the process would be more or less the same as this one. So do look out for it. I have many other videos. Make sure that you do check them out. If you have questions, leave them in the comment box below. And if you need tutoring, you can contact me here. Thank you.